Hello and welcome. So you're looking to import projects using Microsoft Excel. You're first going to need to navigate to the tool. To do this, you're first going to need to navigate to the project's home. The project's home can be gotten to in two different ways. One is on the home. You will see a tile called projects. If you click on projects, it'll take you to the project home. You can also get to it using this drop-down menu and clicking on projects. One thing to keep in mind on the home is that this tile might not necessarily be here. It could be anywhere on this page, as this is customizable by the user. Once you are on the project's home, you will see these three dots here. The three dots will only be visible to you if you are a PMO or a system admin. If they are visible to you, then you can use our import. If they are not visible to you, you need to contact someone that is a PMO or a system admin to do so. Once you're in the import, this is the screen you will see. Here you can import the file if you already have one. You can download our template and you can watch this same video you're watching now. We highly recommend that you download our template and use our template for the import. If you have your own file already, what you can do is download this template and use the headers for your file. By that I mean these are the headers. You'll want to copy these out and put them on your file if you already have one. These are all the supported fields that we currently support in our import, plus custom fields. So if you're using our custom fields, what you're going to want to do is add the header as the name for the custom field, and then put in the information as needed for each project. Each line is its own project. You just need to fill them out across the board. One thing to keep in mind is that some of these fields you might not be using in your system. These are just all the fields we currently support for the import. So if you're not using them, you can just simply ignore them. Once you are ready to import, you will then choose the file and hit upload. Once the upload is complete, you will be taken back to the project home and your upload will be complete.